If your skin looks like this when you apply your foundation, it's dry, it's flaky, the foundation separates, I'm going to tell you exactly what steps to do to prevent this and what products to use. I'm going to tag my original video on this topic in the caption, and today I'm sharing the exact products that I would use. If you're new here, my name is Saj. I'm a pro makeup artist in film and television, and when I have skin like this on set, I don't have time to say, oh, well, you need to update your skincare routine and in 4 to 6 weeks, your skin will be great. No, I need to make what's in front of me work immediately for them to be on set in an hour. Here's the routine that I would use for immediate results. Step 1 is wash your face. I know that we're splashing water on our face in the morning now because our skin is dry and sensitive, but dry and sensitive skin also gets dirty, and I personally just don't believe in that. As a makeup artist, I feel like there's a lot of buildup that happens on the skin, and it can only be removed with a good cleanser. I've got the Aveeno Oat Restore Cleanser, the Dermalogica Special Cleansing Gel, the Polish Choice, which is my absolute favorite cleanser, Hydrating Gel to Cream Cleanser, and the La Roche-Posay. Any skin type can use these cleansers. To remove the cleanser, I like using a clean washcloth or face cloth for gentle physical exfoliation. Again, there's a lot of buildup of just gunk and dead skin cells sitting on the surface of the skin, so we need to get that off. And I said gentle, we're not scrubbing at the skin. You can use baby washcloths, you can use good old face cloths. I like using the Clean Skin Club towels. They're biodegradable and I don't have to continue washing them in the makeup trailer. Please have separate cloths for your face. You use it once, you toss it in the laundry. I have honestly in my home about 100 cloths and they're separated. There's one pattern for the face and another pattern for the body, and we use a clean one every single time and every single day. Next step is hydration, and hydration can only and always be water. I like using a hydrating toner or an essence for this step. I've got the Cocoa Kind Rose Water Mist, the Jordan Samuel Skin Hydrate Mist, the Tatcha Essence, and the Bioma Balancing Face Mist. All really great for all skin types, and you want to get a couple layers of this on the skin first. Next is with a serum, a hydrating serum, and we're beginning to lock in that first layer of water hydration. This is Glow Recipe. You guys recognize all of these. Chantecaille Vital Essence. She's pricey, but she is amazing and also works really well for skin with rosacea. I personally have gone through about 4 bottles of this, and I will always have it in my routine and always have it in my makeup trailer. The Aveeno Calma Restore and the Naturium Vitamin K Serum also have really great skin benefits, and they just immediately plump the skin. Now is when you seal all of the hydration in with an occlusive moisturizer. Because I'm in the makeup trailer and we're going to be putting makeup on next, I like using these exact moisturizers. You've got Weleda Skin Food, Embryolisse Lake Concentrate, Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream, and Tatcha Dewy Cream. These are all thick creams in various densities, and they sit really well on the makeup. They sit really well on top of the skin, and I personally find that if there's any leftover sort of dry or flakiness, they sort of glue it down so it doesn't affect the makeup application. Now we're going to get into our base routine, and first up, no primer. I know, you guys are shook, you're panicking. A pro makeup artist, no primer. Absolutely no primer. One, the skin prep and that moisturizer that we've just used is your primer. 2, the foundations are now coming with built-in primers. So if you're putting a primer in between that, all you're getting is a slippery, slidey slope. You're getting ingredients separating. They're not sitting well together. And it goes deeper than just, oh, water-based foundation. This is a water-based primer, so then it should be fine. It's not. The foundation needs to be able to sit as close to the skin as possible, and the moisturizer is enough of a layer and smoothing barrier before you begin your foundation, okay? Thank you for coming to that mini TED Talk in the middle of this video. So let's get into foundations. Now for your actual base routine, as I mentioned in the first video, you don't want to use a mattifying foundation. You don't want to use a powder foundation, and you probably don't want to use a cream foundation either. And on the flip side, you don't want to use dewy, luminous, those foundations that have a lot of mica, a lot of reflective properties in them, because those are going to sink right in between the little cracks on your skin and just emphasize the texture even more. So these foundations I really love. I know that they're pricey. I'm sorry. I feel like you should splurge on your base makeup. If any one thing in your makeup routine, these are all skin finish textures, and when I say skin finish, I mean skin finish. They wear beautifully, they wear amazingly on our cameras at work and obviously in real life, and they all have really great shade range too. I hope this helps.